Hey Android fans, this is Eric from HollywoodPhoto.com with another Android app review. Today I'm going to talk to you about the app Scout, which is a maps/navigation app. Right before I get to that, just want to remind you this review is sponsored by AndyTags.com, which is an awesome website to get really cool Android themed NFC stickers and NFC keychains. If you don't know what NFC is, head over to the website and you'll find out. So check out AndyTags.com after the review. So Scout is a really awesome alternative navigation and maps, alternative to Google Maps or Google Navigation, but it has some really cool features, the way it's set up and the way it navigates, also the way it helps you find things, and a great widget that includes traffic. So let's hop on my phone, I'll show you all these cool things and why I think it's something worth considering using either instead of or in addition to Google Maps and Google Navigation. So here we are on my phone, and right away you see one of the things I really love about this Scout app, and that's this widget. There are 3 widgets you can have. This is one of them. The other one just has the map and the 2 times here. The other one just has the search bar. But this widget is awesome. As you see, wherever you are, it's always updating, and you can always see an overview of what traffic's like in your area, which is really cool, especially if you live in Southern California like I do. Also, if you have set up your home address and your work address, then it continually updates and tells you how much time it's going to take to get to those places. I'm at home right now, so it's going to take me exactly 0 seconds, and I work from home, so I don't really have that. But if you do have that, you can always at a glance see what the commute's looking like time-wise, which is awesome. You also can tap in here and do an immediate search, or if you want to find things that are common, such as a coffee house or a place to eat or gas or parking or ATM, then you can just tap one of those buttons. So let's do that right now. Say we're on the road, we need gas. So I'm going to tap gas. It's immediately going to open the app, and it's going to find things that are close to me, places to get gas. So as you can see, very fast. And this is based on price. You see, you can do it based on price. So it's looking for the best price gas. So it actually has gas prices, which is awesome. Or you can do based on distance, and it'll go based on distance instead of price. So that in and of itself is a really cool reason to have this app. When you hit back, you go to the main screen, and you can see you have all these different choices. If you want restaurants in general, but maybe you just want fast food because you want to run through something. So you hit fast food, and really quick it brings up the fast food that is around you. So very, very quick, very cool. Great information available here. And you do see it has a little microphone up there, so if you hit the microphone you can say what it is you're looking for. Now when you tap something to open it, you can favorite it if you want to, and you can call the place automatically. You could share it with someone else, or you can hit drive button and it will navigate you. So really cool there. I do want to, before I show you some of the other stuff, let's go back. When you hit back again, you go to the main sort of home screen, which shows you again overview of the traffic in your area. This is a little bit closer in map, as well as the current temperature, things you can find, gives you those times, and if you hit the recents, it'll show you recent places that you've navigated to. So let's go back to my home screen. I want to show you 2 other things. You do have, I told you there's the 2 other widgets, but you can also set up shortcuts, and this is a shortcut to my maps. So you can just have this button right here on your screen, and when you tap that, it automatically opens to a map showing the current traffic. And you do have a layers button, so you can do satellite view. You can also do a camera view. Now this is something you have to pay for, so just know not everything. There are some advanced features that you can pay for. I don't pay for anything. I have just a free app, and it has everything I need. So you can check out the advanced features. If there's features you think you would like, then you can pay for those. But just the regular features I think are great. Let's go into more here, and then go into see all, just so you can see the list of things they have. It's really good. And let me pick something. Let's go to food and coffee, and let's go to barbecue. Let's go look for barbecue. Let's go to Big Island, and let's click drive.
Getting fastest route.
So it has the fastest route, and if you click the settings button, you can change your route settings. You can have it do fastest, shortest, avoid highway or pedestrian. You can have it avoid traffic, and you can have it avoid tolls, and you can have use carpool lanes or not. And then voice settings. You can have it do directions and traffic, or directions only, or traffic only, or no voice. So you do have options there. Now when you pull this up, if you hit share ETA, then you can share your ETA with somebody, which is kind of cool. And if you hit drive, I just want to show you how it looks. In your first
0.8 miles, and at the roundabout, take the second exit to East Los Coyotes Diagonal.
So you see how it sounds. I like this up here. It's continually rotating between how far you have to go and your approximate arrival time. And I like that it goes back and forth between those two. So you know the distance and you know your approximate arrival time. It also shows you the next street you're going to.
Cannot get GPS signal in this area.
Of course, because I'm in my house. And it shows you the distance to your next turn. And then it shows you where you're on right now, as well as a little north, south, east, west down there. And it shows you what your turn is going to be like. So anyway, that's it. If you hit the map, then you can look at the route and see what your entire route is going to be. If you go back to navigation and then hit the map again, if you want to find something, then you can hit the microphone. Find McDonald's. Oh, I know why that's not working right now. It's because I have another voice app running in the background that's taking over the microphone. So it's not going to hear me. But that's close. You can just tap the map, tap that microphone, and find something without having to worry about trying to type in something, which is cool. If you type nearby, then it brings up all your same options as before, so that you can find out where things are or things to do in your area. I'm going to click exit to end the trip. So that's Scout. As you can see, it's really cool, really full featured. There are some things it offers that you can't get from Google Maps and Google Navigation, and I would highly recommend downloading it and giving it a try. That was the app Scout. And as you can see, it's not necessarily better than Google Maps or Google Navigation. It's just an alternative. It does things a little differently. So there are some times when you might want to use it instead, or because of the way it works, if it fits your personality, you might just want to use it all the time. Especially the widget is really awesome, and it's very quick to find stuff near you and check out traffic, things like that. So that's Scout. It's free. You can check it out on the Play Store. That's it for this review. If you like this review, please click the like button. If you know someone who might benefit from having Scout on their phone, then share this video with them on any of your favorite social media sites, which are all the buttons listed down below. And that list keeps growing. And that's about it. Until next time, this is Eric reminding you that your Android phone is only going to be as good as you make it.